Hi, I'm Professor John Cerone, and I'll be teaching international human rights law for the spring 2021 semester. The course is presently scheduled for Tuesday evenings from 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. That is the tentative time slot that we've been assigned by the registrar. I say tentative because, as you may know, sometimes the registrar needs to juggle the schedule a bit. But as far as I know, right now it's going to be Tuesday evenings, 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. So a once a week 2-hour class. This class is hybrid. So the format is officially designated as a hybrid course. However, most of the teaching will still be remote. Most of the teaching will be via Zoom, live, and synchronous. We will have some occasional special lectures in person, and in addition, the final simulations for the course will also be in person. I'll say a few more words about those final simulations in just a moment. This will be an introductory course in international human rights law. As such, it will be helpful to have some international law background. It is not a prerequisite, but again, it will be helpful because this is a law course. For those of you who do not yet have any international law background, I will be providing supplemental resources, supplemental reading materials that I'll ask you to review to help firm up a foundation in basic concepts in international law that we will build upon in examining the substance of international human rights law. The course will cover both the substance of human rights law and also the institutions and procedures that were created in order to monitor compliance with human rights obligations. Again, this is a law course and I'll be teaching it as a law professor, which means, that's right, I'll be using the Socratic method. Therefore, in lieu of lectures, we will generally have structured discussion prompted by me posing questions to the class. As such, it's very important that everyone has done the reading prior to coming to class because you will be asked about the reading. You'll be asked to respond to questions drawing upon the knowledge you gained in doing the reading assignment for that particular class. In addition, we will have in-class exercises and role plays. Participation is essential, and for that reason, I will not be recording classes. Everyone is expected to attend the live classes. If for some reason one or more students are unable to attend a class session, please let me know and I will replicate that class session live. That way everyone will have an equal opportunity to participate in the discussions and also the exercises. For a more detailed overview of the content of the course, please look at the syllabus. I also want to flag again that the final assessment for the course will not be an exam or research paper. It will be a final simulation. So all students will participate in simulations before human rights treaty bodies. There will be both oral proceedings, so you will be conducting the simulation orally, and there will also be a written submission. So sort of a reduced paper, not quite a research paper, but more a structured legal argument that you will be presenting to the simulated human rights body as part of that final assessment. If you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to me by email.